Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're talking about the ZAP token. Name of the token is ZAP. Ticker symbol is also ZAP. Now this token is on the Base chain and it's getting a brand new central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on the ZAP token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen right here. So there's a couple different ways to get this token. Their Twitter, first of all, their X is at Zap on Chain. 954 posts, blue verified checkmark, has a link to their Discord right there. Also has a link to their webpage, zap.tech. So they had a huge project. You can see 197,400 Twitter followers. Just joined in December 2023. It's a lot of followers in a short amount of time. And it says here, the community-driven token distribution platform live on Base. Token launch October 9th. So October 9th, you will be able to get this token off of Uniswap. By funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask or Coinbase wallet with ETH and then bridging it to Base or funding it directly with Base from a central exchange. And there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So fund your wallet with Base, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then using the contract address that you could find on zap.tech, you would trade your Base for the ZAP token. So you'll have to wait, though, until October 9th. I'm sure they'll have an exact launch time eventually. But if you scroll down on their Twitter right here, you'll see it says the ZAP token is coming. Mark your calendars. October will see the launch of the ZAP token on multiple leading exchanges, including Bybit. So it says Bybit official IDO. So IDO is initial DEX offering. So there's a recent tweet here that they reposted from October 2nd, which was yesterday. It says ZAP IDO open, and there is a button to join that on bybit.com. And so yeah, just scroll down a few tweets on this Twitter right here. You'll see subscription is open, and it goes all the way from October 2nd, 10 a.m. UTC time, which was yesterday, so it's live now, all the way until October 9th. 2024, 10 a.m. UTC time. So 1 week IDO, initial DEX offering. You can get involved with that on Bybit. And then it'll be launched officially on Bybit around the same time it gets launched on a whole bunch of other exchanges as well. And so you'll be able to see all that on, you'll be able to see all the tweets, all the updates, which token listings, which central exchange listings, all that type of stuff on that page there. So check that out there. Now, if you scroll down also, you're going to see they have a Gitbook, a document section there, and their webpage. You can connect your wallet. They have launch a token section, view trending token section, drops, labs, all sorts of headings you can click on zap.tech. Says, discover the next big token. No pre-sale, no insiders, fully audited smart contracts, buy and sell at any time. ZAP launch is the safest and simplest way to degen. So yeah, it says earn airdrop rewards, For the community people, Drops is a permissionless, mission-based airdrop platform that rewards you for contributing. And you can view all the airdrops, the latest drops, and yeah, early access to vetted projects, the simplest, safest, and fairest way to invest in, launch trending crypto tokens, get started with less than $1. So they show you all the trending tokens, the updates. At the very bottom of their page, they have a Telegram link, they have a Discord, they have the Twitter, roadmap, documentation, careers section. Changelog, all sorts of stuff there. So Zap is a community-driven token distribution platform built not only on the base chain, but also on Blast, it says. The Zap ecosystem comprises of 3 distinct products. Zap Labs for curated token launches. Zap Launch to launch and explore the next big meme coin. Zap Drops, the solution for community building and questing. The main mission of Zap is to alleviate current problems in the token launch space and provide a superior user experience to further the adoption of users in the Web3 space. Their vision is current solutions in the space are either broken or not user-friendly enough to encourage mass adoption. So the current token launch model is broken, bringing tokens to market in a decentralized ecosystem, and it should be meritocracy. So unfortunately, most retail investors are unable to participate in early stage token launches because existing solutions grant allocation based on chance, capital, and network. Token launch platforms generally fall into 4 categories, each with distinct issues. So number 1, token-gated launch pads with high capital requirements, indistinguishable from traditional VCs, or lottery-based launch pads relying on pure chance, permissionless launch pads with no control, and airdrops favoring those who know how to manipulate the system. So the Zap Launch is going to fix that with their platform here with the Zap Labs, Zap Launch, and Zap Drops. So the Zap protocol consists of those pillars, and you can learn about their curated launches, discovering the next big meme coin, influencer trades, airdrops, and then the tech layer, which has community-driven allocation, the over-allocation logic, full customization. They have a whole section about the tokenomics here as well. So it says there's a total supply of 350 million Zap tokens, and there's a staking system. And yeah, so tons of info here about how to stake, get passive staking rewards, proactive utility rewards, perks and benefits, and there's also vaults where you can get rewards. There's multipliers, soulbound NFTs. There's also burning, project buy-ins. And so yeah, it's on the base chain, and the token is split up between advisors, liquidity, IDO, strategic round, seed round, vault sale, teams and contributors, and community treasury. So check out this project. You can find all the info at zap-2.getbook.io. You can follow their Telegram at Zap on Blast. And yeah, their webpage, zap.tech. And you're going to find all the most recent announcements on this Twitter right here in the corner of the screen. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.